This video is sponsored by JLC PCB. JLC PCB is a well-known PCB prototype company in China. It is specialized in quick PCB prototype and small batch production. You can now order a minimum of 5 PCBs for just $2. For more details, check description.
In my some of last videos, I had used this 4-channel PCB to control the home appliances. But what if we want to control more than 4 appliances? So to solve this issue, we have another PCB in which we are able to control total 10 number of devices using this single PCB. Now in this video, we are going to build a 10-channel home automation system using Blink IoT Cloud platform. Now we can control our home appliances from anywhere in this world using this PCB and Blink mobile application. So let's get started. For this project, I am going to use this my old PCB. You can download Gerber file of this PCB from description. For designing of my PCB, I am using EasyEDA. EasyEDA is very easy and simple for designing the PCB. After designing the PCB, I directly order to JLC PCB for manufacturing of PCB. After uploading the Gerber file, software automatically detects the default settings. However, if you want, you can change these settings. Now save to cart to complete your order. After 7 days, my PCB arrived at my place. Connect all the bulb in this manner. Download Blink mobile application in your smartphone. This app is available for both Android as well as for iOS. After installing the app, let's set up it. Tap on New Project. Give the name of your project. I am giving it 10-channel home automation. Now select the hardware type. In my case, it is ESP32 development board. Now select the connection type. Choose theme, dark or light, whatever you want. Now tap on create project. We have successfully created the project, and for this project, a authentication code is sent to our registered email ID. We need this code at the time of coding, so keep it. Now tap on screen to open widget box. Select button. Tap on button for its settings. Give any display name of this button. I am giving it button 1. After this, select digital pin GP26. Mode switch and off on label leave as it is. Now tap on OK. Here we have successfully set up the button 1. In the same way, set up 9 more buttons as we need to control 10 relays in our project. Here we have successfully set up all the 10 switches. Code is most easiest part of this project, and first of all we need to have the Blink library installed in our Arduino IDE. For that we need to go Sketch, Include Library, then click on Manage Library. Here we have to search for Blink. This is the Blink library that we need to install in our Arduino IDE. Select latest version and click on Install. After installing the library, click on this close button. Now go to Files, Examples. Here we have to navigate for Blink, then board's Wi-Fi, then into ESP32 Wi-Fi. This is the code for our today's project. Now here you need to add the authentication token which is already sent to you on your registered email ID. Just copy and paste in your code. After that, in this section, you have to enter the SSID and password of your router or hotspot. That's it, our coding is complete. Now hit upload button after selecting right board and COM port. Everything is done. Now let's see our project in action.